Good morning students, welcome back. Let us start the second part of topic perfect competition. This is module 1, lesson 2, perfect competition part 2. Let us start the new point. What is that? That is profit maximization. The business of businessman is to maximize the profit. A firm, being a rational business entity, aims at earning maximum possible profit. This point, profit maximization by a firm with numerical examples, is explained with the help of table shown in the next page. From this table, behavior of revenue, cost and profit can be explained. Now look at the table. The table shows the output from 0 to 8. Look at the first column, output 0 to 8. Price remains the same because it is a perfect competition. In perfect competition, price is same. So price is 30. See the second column, price is 30. Total revenue, that is TR, is obtained by multiplying output, that is Q, by price P. So Q into P is total revenue. TR is equal to Q into P. At 0 output, price is shown 30. In the perfect competition, a firm is a price taker, the price which already prevailed in the market. The total cost is 15. As even at 0 output, fixed cost remains the same. So total cost is 15. Profit is negative, which is equal to TC, that is total cost. TR and TC increase as the output increases. Total revenue and total cost increases when the output is also increasing. Profit is equal to TR minus TC. Profit is total revenue minus total cost, that is profit. Let us turn to the next page. Marginal revenue, that is delta TR divided by delta Q. Change in delta stands for change in total revenue due to the change in output. The change in output is equal to 1. Therefore, marginal revenue is equal to the difference between the two subsequent total revenues. As the price remains the same, total revenue increases by constant number, that is 30. Total revenue increases by constant number, that is 30. See, the difference is 30, 30, 30. Marginal cost is equal to delta TC divided by delta Q. It can be noted that marginal cost is initially declining and increasing thereafter. Profit is maximum when difference between TR and TC is largest. Look at the table. This is output. It increases from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Price remains the same, that is 30, because it is a perfect competition. Total revenue is price into quantity. So 1 into 30 is 30, 2 into 30 is 60, 3 into 30 is 90. So like that, total revenue increases as the output increases. And of course, total cost also increases. It increases from 15 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 60, then 88, 115, 150, 190, 235. So now what is the profit? The difference between total revenue and total cost. At first quantity, profit is 0. The second quantity, it is 20, the difference between these two. From the third, it is 30. Then next it is 32. Then 35. Then 30, 20 and 5. What is marginal revenue? Sorry. The difference between two total revenue is marginal. 0 to 30, the difference is 30. 30 to 60, the difference is 30. 60 to 90, it is 30. 90 to 120, it is 30. So the difference between two total revenue is the marginal revenue. And marginal cost, see, look at the marginal cost, the difference between two total cost, 15 to 30, it is 15 difference. Then 30 to 40, 10, 40 to 60, 20. So this is how you calculate the total revenue. When you get the output and the price, you can find out the total revenue. Of course, total cost is the imaginary figure. As as output rises, the total cost also rises. This is what is all about. So profit is maximum when the difference between total revenue and total cost is largest. The difference between total revenue and total cost is largest. Total revenue and total cost. See, look at here. Total revenue and total cost. This difference is largest. So at point 5 or at output 5, the profit is maximum. This is how we calculate the profit under perfect competition. Now the question can be, explain profit maximization with the help of example. So there you have to give this table and you have to explain it in a proper way. Or even the objective type questions can be asked, how profit can be calculated, or what is TR. So output into or Q into P, it is TR. So it can be asked for multiple choice question. This is what is in the second part of this topic. Thank you very much.